Welcome! In this video, we are going to show you how to perform the CSC change procedure on Samsung Qualcomm chipset devices. With this procedure, you will be modifying the country-specific code of the device. Some carrier-specific elements, such as the boot logo and startup sound, will be restored to factory defaults. As we can see, the current CSC is UX, and we will change it. To start, connect your device in EDL mode. To achieve this, disassemble the device, disconnect the battery, and connect the device while performing a test point. When Chimera prompts you, reconnect the battery. Now, in Chimera, go to the Repair tab. Then, click on Change CSC. When prompted, select the desired customer code. Once done, click OK. Chimera will start the operation. It may take a few moments to complete. As we can see, the operation has finished successfully. Now, we can check on the device if the CSC code has changed. And as shown here, the CSC code has been changed as requested. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.